Hey guys, it's Anna and welcome back to another video of mine, and today's video which is going to be a YesStyle / Depop haul. Starting off with YesStyle. This video is not sponsored by YesStyle, although they did give me a gift card to spend on their website and kindly sent me things that I picked myself on the website. And I also have a promo code for all of y'all, which is Anna's CC or Anna's Crafty Corner, and it will give you 5% off your first purchase. So if you'd like to buy something from YesStyle, use my code. So I ordered the stuff from YesStyle on July 10th and it came on July 19th. So it took about 2.5 weeks to arrive because I believe it is either coming from China or Korea. And I will include the pictures and the prices and the different colors that the clothes are available in and the jewelry. I only picked up a couple things. Starting off with the first thing that I got is this super cute dress, and it's kind of got like a peasant top to the top part of the dress, and then the bottom is just a midi length and pretty flowy, and it's really nice color. It's like this really pretty like dusky blue, like dusty blue color, which is really nice, and it's got this corset style at the very front. So this dress is the Lusana off-shoulder short sleeve midi A-line dress, and it is on sale for $23.46 Canadian. The colors that it comes in is black, blue, green, pink, red, and yellow, and it is a one size dress. There are measurements on this dress so you can make sure that it actually fits you before it comes. One thing that I do have to say though is the color is slightly different in real life than it is online. Online it's a bit more of like a brighter blue, and in person it's more of like a dusty blue. Honestly, I kind of prefer this color, but that's just a heads up. I also forgot to say that the corset part does come unlaced, so then you actually have to lace it in yourself. But if you follow the picture, it should be pretty easy. But yeah. The second piece of clothing that I got from YesStyle is just this really cute like corduroy button-up top. It's pretty oversized, or it's supposed to be oversized, and it's definitely a really nice like layering piece, and I really wanted something like this so that I could wear over my tanks and all sorts of things in the summer. So this is the Moon City. This is a Moon City boxy corduroy jacket, and it is on sale for $20.88 Canadian, and the colors that are available is almond and pink, and there's only one size as well. I would have to say that the color is pretty accurate to how it is in real life and how it is in the picture, and it is supposed to be like an oversized fit, but because this is coming from Asia, obviously the girls there are a lot smaller or more petite, and obviously I am 5'6" and I'm like a medium average size build, so it's not as oversized on me, but it is still pretty oversized. It's just not as oversized as it looks. It's just not as oversized as it looks in the pictures. And then I just got 3 jewelry pieces. So the first 2 jewelry pieces that I got are these like cuffs. They're like little ear cuffs so that you can put them on your ears, and it looks like you have a cartilage piercing, which I do want to eventually get a cartilage piercing one day, but for now I'm gonna stick with these. They're really nice. They're super durable, like they're really like a good metal, like you don't feel like you're gonna break it or anything, which is great because that way you can just put it onto your ear and you can mold it onto your ear so it actually stays on it and won't fall off because you pushed it down. And because it's like a really nice, good quality, like thick metal, you don't have to worry about it like breaking or snapping on you. And I just picked it up in a gold color and then a silver color, which is the 2 colors that are available. So these are called the Bling Litz Rhinestone Ear Cuff, and they are for sale for $3.63, which is an amazing deal, especially since they're pretty darn good quality. They come in the color silver and gold. And then last but not least, the very last thing that I got from YesStyle, like moon dangly earrings. They've got like this dark navy blue color with like stars and rhinestones, and I think it's so pretty. I'm not gonna try these onto my ear. I'll just like put them near my ear because I'm actually gifting these to one of my friends, so I don't want to wear it on you know. This set of earrings are called the Ciatra or Ciatra Winged Moon and Star Glass Beat Drop earrings, and they are on sale for $4.85, which again is an amazing deal. Like, that's a great deal. They come in the color blue and pink, and if you don't have a piercing, you can actually get a clip-on earring version of the same earrings. They're just, instead of like the little instead of the little hook part where you put into your ear, it's a clip, so you can just clip it onto your ears. So that's a great option if you don't actually have your ears pierced. So now moving on to Depop, and I also have a Depop shop myself, which is at Anna Tran. So if you guys would like to check it out, then that'd be great. I sell handmade scrunchies and necklaces that I make. So yeah, check it out if you are interested in buying something. So I just have three things in total from two shops that kindly sent me these items for me to just show you guys in this video. Thank you so much to Savannah and Annie Sophia. So starting off with the first items, starting off with Annie Sophia. So she just let me pick out a couple things from her shop. So I picked out this zodiac sign necklace with my zodiac, which is Cancer, on it. I'm actually wearing it right now with one of the necklaces that I made and I have for sale on my Depop. So this retails for $16 with shipping. It's free shipping on bundle. It comes in 18 inches, 16 inches, and 20 inches, and I currently have on the 18-inch one. And I also picked out the matching zodiac sign charm earrings, which are also so cute, and they retail for $15. And then I also picked out the cutest bumblebee huggy earrings, which retail for $10. So those are three things that I picked out from her shop. And also the branding and the packaging is so cute and definitely my aesthetic. But yeah, so really like that. Thank you so much, Annie. And from Savannah, I actually got a case from her a long time ago in one of my Depop hauls, and I'll link it somewhere here if you want to check out that video. But she gifted me this peach phone case, and I recently got a new phone. If you saw it in my 16th birthday haul, which I'll also link somewhere. And then I let her know that I had a new phone, and she was like, okay, pick out whatever cases you want. So I picked out this cow phone case. It's so random, but I love it because, you know, that's my personality. Random, weird, and just... And I also picked out this peach phone case, which is clear and it's got peaches on it. I basically wanted the one that I had for my previous phone, but she said that she actually does not make that print anymore, unfortunately, which is sad, but it's okay. She has a new peach print, and this one is also super cute, so I picked these two phone cases up. So once again, thank you to Savannah and Annie. That's basically all that I have for today's haul. YesStyle/Depop haul. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and check out my other hauls if you're on like a haul marathon or something. Once again, thank you so much to YesStyle, Savannah, and Annie Sophia, and if you guys are interested in buying from them, I'll link their shops down below and my Depop shop as well. And I will also list my coupon code for YesStyle if you're interested in buying from YesStyle and want to use my coupon. If y'all enjoyed watching today's video, but yeah, so thank you so much for watching. If you liked today's video, or even if you didn't, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and share with family and friends, and ciao!